opportunity for me.
PTTI means hope.
PTTI to me means success.
Well, to me, PTTI means privilege and responsibility.
It gives me hope every day to get up and wake up and try something new every day.
It's a privilege to work here and help out folks that are interested in changing their lives for the better. And it's my responsibility to do an honest, well-informed job to make sure that they're getting everything that they deserve as far as help with getting the training, getting into the career, and also understanding that the trade itself, what the outcomes are and the destinations.
I even had some trauma in my life recently, and they have done everything possible to help me restore my self-being so I can attend school.
It's a stepping stone to get to where you want to be in your life. I feel as though they have multiple selections to choose from, different career paths for anybody, really, to do whatever you want to do.
So just privilege to do what I'm doing because I sleep like a baby at night, I love what I do, and responsibility to do a good job with every student that I interact with.